Hey there, my name's Chris Palmer. In today's How to Build Backlinks to Anything video, what I'd like to share with you is a brand new tool that has been introduced by the Google Chrome development team right into the new build. And I have a funny inclination that they took a page right out of one of my favorite SEOs, Notepad, Holly Starks. You see, not too long ago, October the 28th, there was a small little contest regarding the most handsome man inside of Baltimore. With that being said, somebody named Chris Palmer SEO was awarded the snippet by utilizing a tool set that has recently been introduced by Google directly into the browser. What I'm talking about is a tool called Link to Text Fragment. So Link to Text Fragment is a way that you can create a backlink out of any text on the web. So I have a test site here, and I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate exactly what I'm talking about. But what makes this really awesome is that Google has actually given this to normal people just like us, regular SEOs, so we can go out and start winning snippets, much like Holly did for the most handsome man in Baltimore. Let me walk you through this. So as you can see, there used to be an extension, right? There was lots of extensions. This is one of them that I've used in the past. And if you take a look, this was offered by Google LLC, Link to Text Fragment. But recently, after I won this snippet utilizing text fragment and building links to the text fragment, or actually Holly won this, after we worked together to win the most handsome man in Baltimore, they actually introduced it into the brand new build. So this way it's just boom, right inside of the actual Chrome browser. Again, let me demonstrate this for you. So if you highlight any word or anything or any phrase, okay, it doesn't have to be like a sentence. It could literally be a phrase. Like, so say you come over here to Chris Palmer Marketing, okay, .com. So say you were to come over here and say perhaps you wanted to win something like this, like Chris Palmer Marketing, my name is this, blah, 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 blah. You could right click now with the new Chrome build, and I could literally create a text fragment link out of any text on the web. It could be yours, it could be on Maps, it could be on someone else's site, it could be anywhere. Anywhere. And what's great about this is I no longer need a Chrome extension, it's built right in. Let me demonstrate. So once I highlight and I right click, you can see copy to link highlight. So now it's been integrated directly in the browser. I have a funny feeling or a funny inclination it was due to the most handsome man in Baltimore demonstration, because that's one of the techniques that was being utilized. So I have a funny feeling that that's why they added it. They wanted to make it easier for SEOs like us to start building links and sharing links anywhere on the web. So again, let me walk you through this, exactly what I mean. So say we go to Chris Palmer Marketing. Let's say that we're trying to, maybe we want to win a snippet, or maybe we just want to share a link to a piece, an article on the web. You can go ahead and grab this. You'll right click, and then what you'll do is you'll copy to link highlight. What it's going to create is a link fragment. So now we can literally within the browser create this link fragment. What this is going to help us do is not only share out our pages and share out pieces of information, but also it could put us in better position to start winning snippets if we build links to this particular text fragment. So I just wanted to share with you that, hey, you no longer need the extension to create this. Instead, if you want to win the most handsome man in Baltimore or any other snippet online, please get the newest updated browser. You can right click on any text you want. So like I could just go out here to the Google dev team, right? I could go to any page I want, and maybe just for sharing on social media. Even if you're not trying to win snippets and build links, you can literally just take this and say, hey, this is really cool. I could right click, copy to link highlight, and now it's going to create this link right here. See this? This is a text fragment link. You can build links to it. You can share it. My name is Chris Palmer. If you have any questions related to how to get or build backlinks to anything online, please feel free to go ahead and ask in the section below. And I always look forward to seeing you in the next How to Get Backlinks, How to Build Backlinks to Anything video. Have a wonderful day.